Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of FactoryTalk view Ammi. So in this video I'm just describing you some things which I forget to but I will make then later. So I will tell you about the uh, how we select an HMI in MA for our different HMIs for our HMI configuration. So first of all you will go to project setting and you will select an HMI from there. What HMI you have? Panel view plus 7 ME, 19, 18, 12 inches, 9 inches, compact, and whatever you have, whatever HMI you have, you will select it from there and transfer it to from your PLC to your HMI. From there you will directly download it to internal memory of your PLC and select a remote file, which I don't now I don't create it. First of all, it is a download, not download. So it is you will download a project from there. My project, you will see it as a runtime file, and you will download it from there to your HMI. So I'm just you will create a runtime application from there. I'm going to name it 10, and you will see you will also select it from runtime application 8.0. From there to my project, you will see runtime, and you are going to transfer utility. Then you are going to your transfer utilities, and I think it is open. You are now going to open my tank, and you can download it to your HMI easily there. So thank you very much. It's just my short video because I forget that video to make. So I will make that on later for you. So thank you very much again for watch my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons and comments if you don't understanding anything. And in the description I give more links of SCADA, Indosoft SCADA, and Ignition SCADA. So you want to learn, so watch my video. Thank you very much again.